If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making KADALI BHAJA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take about 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. Then 1 raw banana which is cut in diagonally, just like this. Then 1/4 cup of rice flour, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, and some salt to taste. Now in a large bowl, take all the rice flour and to that add the crushed ginger, hing, the whole spice powder, the turmeric and some salt to taste. Now with the help of a spoon, mix it up really well first. Then to this, add about 1/3 cup of water. Not more than that, and combine these really well so it will form a batter which should be medium thick. Now take a cut raw banana piece and dip it in the batter, and now we will fry these. So for that, take some oil or ghee in a pan and set the flame on medium to high and slide them one by one, and we need to fry these till they are golden brown in color and completely cooked. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, KADALI BHAJA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.